Anyway, starting over again. Today we're going to be talking briefly about diatonic seventh chords. You might notice that I have the 2-7 missing from this set, but I'm going to bounce that ball into the other two grad students' court because they'll do your resolutions and everything. For your major keys, the diatonics that we're going to briefly talk about are your 4 major 7, your 6 7, your 1 major 7, and your minor 3 7. And then in your minor key, the equivalents would be a minor 4 7, a major 6 major 7, minor 1 7, and then major 3 major 7. Let's go to right. Four. Okay. Can anyone give me a D major, just a D major triad? 4.
D,
a major 4
F,
triad. 4. Sorry.
G, B, D.
And then what would my major 7 be? F.
Sure.
Thank you. Okay, so very briefly, the best way I find to spell any seventh triad, or excuse me, seventh chord, is to start by writing your triad and then finding whichever 7 you're supposed to have. So basically equivalent, but for your minor, you would basically do the same, except that you don't need a major 7. So in D minor, what is my minor 4 triad?
G, B flat, D.
Okay, and what would my 7th be?
It would be
F,
F.
There we go. Oops, sorry. So fairly simple stuff. The same would hold true for your, I lost my spot, 6, 7 in, let's do B flat this time, with the major key. So what would a 6th triad be in B flat?
G,
How did I end up like?
Yeah, G, B flat,
D
D.
flat, D,
And then my 7?
F major.
Very good. Equivalent plus 4. How did I end up with all of these? That's just bad on my part. Let's see. Let's get you some G minor on. Okay. In G minor, it would be a major 6 triad, so what would that be? And don't forget to give me the accidental.
E,
E.
G sharp.
We'll go back and add the accidental. What's the last?
E, B sharp, B.
D,
And then minor 6 one?
Oh, sorry, I did the version. I just wanted to do the 7. Sorry.
Is that a major 7?
Yeah.
Okay.
Sorry. And then what accidentals do we need?
G sharp.
B flat,
B flat, sorry.
Right. Which means that we need and.
D flat.
Really quickly. Try not to take too much time. Let's go with the. In G major, what would my 1 line?
G,
G.
B, D,
And my 7?
F sharp.
Very good. Still ended up all on G's. The equivalent for G minor would be a 1 7.
G, B,
B.
D, F,
And then what accidental?
G, B flat.
Okay, so I might be too far away from the board. The last one is the what would be your 3 chord for F major?
A, C,
A, C,
E.
G.
There we go. Very good. And then the equivalent for F minor, it's a little tricky. that is very briefly how you would spell. What I'd like to do is a brief drill, which hopefully I can go through real quick. How many of y'all are here today? 4. What I would like to do is have each of you come up here using accidentals, write what each chord is, and have a prize whoever gets it done fast. I have 4 markers that I will do. One more marker. Oh, okay, no problem. And I didn't put a cross out there.
You get a minor 3, but you get their major.
Just want to erase the M. Just tell him.
Hang on, I'm just erasing that.
Oh, okay.
My bad. Nothing like it.
This one, did you want a major here? Major
Should
7?
be. Yeah.
Joe, put in a big M there.
Yeah.
Major 7.
Yeah.
I think you have extra. There you go.
Man, you gotta have the A flat.
Oh, I'm sorry, I was reading it as a bass. He's right.
Yeah, right. Right. Why are
It's
you
not
moving
my
bass
day
clef?
today.
You're not a bass clef person.
I play piano.
We are
Okay.
all bass clef people, Gabriel.
What?
We should all be treble, bass, and
You
tenor.
have a default though. You have a default setting. Mine happens to be bass.
Mine goes back and forth depending on what I'm studying.
Excellent.
No,
Oh, wait.
I forgot one.
Right. Okay. Not be a bass clef today.
Since I'm running the camera, I guess I should say we need to wrap it up soon.
That's all I
Where's my watch ahead?
Okay, kept it short and sweet.
Yeah, you did. All right.
You just hit the same button, Allie, and it'll.
Oh, you're
go off.
finished?
Yeah. And then I will.